Hello reception and welcome to our phonics lesson today. And the sound that we're going to be looking at today is the sound. Now we write it with an U and a R. Right then children, make sure that you've got your piece of paper or your book ready with a pen or a pencil. Right, let's have a look. So, are we making sure we're doing good sitting, good looking and good listening? Well done. Now children, can you join in with our ABC song? Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U and V, W, X, Y and Z. Now I know my ABC, 26 letters from A to Z. Well done, children. Right, let's go on to our previous sounds. These are sounds that we already know, so help me join in and say them and say the action as well. Do the action, sorry children. So say them and do the action. Are we ready? Right. G, K, H, K, R, O, L, F, S, J, V, W, X, Y, Z, Q, Ch, Sh, F, N, A, E, I, O, U, O, R, O. Well done, children. Now, can we read the high frequency words? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Will, that, this, then, them, see, for, now, down, look, to, with. Well done. And remember children, you can pause this video at any time. See if you can spell these words as well. Now children, if we have a look, we have got this picture, and if you look under the tree, it has some roots. So I've got, and if you just take one root, that's the word root, root. And here we've got, that's right children, it's a card, it's a birthday card, happy birthday, and it says card, card. And then we've got some corn, corn, corn. And here we've got, that's right, it's Little Red Riding Hood come to say hello. And you can see that she has got a hood on there. So, hood. Right, children. I say root and you say root, root. You say root and I say root, root. I say card and you say card, card. You say card and I say card, card. I say corn and you say corn, corn. You say corn and I say corn, corn. I say hood and you say hood, hood. You say hood and I say hood, hood. Right, keep practicing them children. Right, let's have a look and join in with our tricky words. Are we ready? Remember children, you cannot sound talk these words. You have to just learn them. Are you ready? He, she, we, me, be, was, you, they, all, are, my, her. Right, children, you're going to need your piece of paper. Because it's speedy write time. So, get your pen ready. Are you ready? I would like you to write the word them. Them. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So let's have a look. Them. So the first sound is a th sound, and that's right, it's a digraph, 2 letters and 1 sound. Then after the th sound, it's an e, and then the final sound is a m. So them. So if you've got it right, give it a tick. If not, write it at the side then. Now the next word I would like you to write is the word sea. Now it's not the sea with the water by the beach. It's see when we're looking. So I can see you. You ready? See. Write me see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now the first sound was a, that's right, a S. And the final sound was an E sound. So S, E. So if you've got it the same as me, give it a tick. If not, write it at the side. Right, the next word I would like you to write is the word 4. And it's not the number 4. It's when I go to the shops, I went for some crisps. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the first sound was a F, and the final sound was the O sound. F, O. Okay, 2 letters and 1 sound. 4. Remember, give it a tick if it's the same as me. If not, write it at the side. Right, the next word I would like you to write is the word now. Now. The year is 2021 now. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the first sound was a N, and then it's the digraph ow. N, ow. So again, if you've got the same as me, give it a tick. If not, write it at the sides. Right then, children. Now, this is the song we're going to be learning today, and it says, the mixer in the bowl goes, The mixer in the bowl goes, mixing the food together. Now, if you remember, oh, it's rubbed off. Let me show you. Get my board ready. Now, even though that one says a different we're learning this today, okay? But we're going to sing the same song. Are we ready?
The mixer in the bowl goes The mixer in the bowl goes mixing the food together.
Right, children. Let's have a look then how to write that. Just look at my board, please. Now, the first letter is an U. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to go down, curve it round on the line, up and down and hook. Then we're going to start for the R. We're going to go start at the top. We're going to go down, back up, curve it round and off. One more time. Start at the top, go down, curve it round. At the top again, go back down and hook. Start here for the R. Start at the top, go down, up and round in a curve, off. See if you can do a row of them, children. And if you look, my letters are sitting on the line. Well done. Now, so we're going to have a go now at writing some words, and they have the sound in them. Okay, so the first word I would like you to write is fur. I say fur and you say fur. See if you can write it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So what's the first sound? That's right, it's a F sound. And then you've got the Okay. The wolf had lots of fur, didn't he? Yes. Now the next word I would like you to write is the word hurt. If you remember, my poor dog hurt his leg. Hurt. See if you can write that word, hurt. What's the first sound you can hear? Hurt. Hurt. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hurt. Hurt. Can you see? If you've got it same as me, give it a tick. If not, write it at the side. The next word that I would like you to write is the word burn. Burn. In our story, The Three Little Pigs, the wolf was going to get burnt, wasn't he? So he would have been burnt in the fire. So when you've been burnt, you will have a nasty burn on you. So the word I want you to spell is burn. Burn. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So let's have a look. Burn. B-n. B-n. So it's got our sound that we're learning today in the middle. If you've got it the same as me, give it a tick. If not, write it at the side. Now, the next word I would like you to write is the word turnip. Turnip. Okay, it's a vegetable that is grown in the ground, a turnip. So see if you can write the word turnip. Remember to sound talk it out. Turnip. Can you write it for me, please? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. So remember I said turnip. Turnip. Again, if you've got it the same as me, give it a tick. If not, write it to the side. Turnip. Right then, children. Oh, we've got to read the sentence now. So here, look at the children. What are they doing? That's right. Let's have a look then. They pick up the turnip. Let's read it again. They pick up the turnip. Again, they pick up the turnip. How many words in our sentence? That's right. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's got a capital letter at the start. What's it got at the end, children? That's right, a full stop. And after each word, it's got a finger space. Well done. So they pick up the turnip. Oh no! What's happened to our sentence? Oh, children, can you remember the sentence? You're going to have to help me now. What was our first word? Have a look. See if you can find a clue. That's right. It's the word they. Tell me when to stop. Is this the word they? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. They. Let's read our sentence and see if it's correct. They the turnip up pick. Is that right, children? No. They pick. That's right. Pick. And that's got a digraph at the end. Look, children. They pick. Put this back up there. They pick turnip up the. Is that right? No. They pick up turnip the. Is that right? No. They pick up the turnip. Well done, children. They pick up the turnip. They've been growing it in the ground. Look, they've picked it up. All right, children. Now, see if you can write that sentence. And then this is your challenge. So I'd like you to write, they pick up the turnip, and then this is the challenge that I've got for you. Here is what is this? That's right, it's a foot. And it's hurt. So I would like you to write a sentence with the word hurt in it. Right, children. Thank you for watching. So join in tomorrow for our next phonics lesson. Bye bye.